How to turn off active on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off active on Instagram. So first thing first, before we begin, make sure that you've already updated the application and then log in into your account. Now in case if you want to turn off your active status on Instagram, so active status basically means a green dot icon next to your profile, which indicates that you're actually active or online on Instagram. So you can see that on Messenger and all that, you'll be able to see that there is a green dot icon next to the chat or the users, which indicate that this particular contact is active and online. In order to disable that, you need to go to your profile icon. After that, you need to go to your tab bar icon. From the list, you need to go ahead and tap on settings. As soon as you've done that, scroll down a bit, click on privacy. After that, scroll down right to the bottom, you'll be able to see active status. As you can see, currently my active status is enabled, which means that the other users and contact will be able to see my active status, and as soon as you tap on it or toggle the switch, this particular feature has been disabled. Along with that, nobody will be able to see your active status, nor you'll be able to see others' active status. So in this way, you can turn off active status on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.